Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. It's an exciting hot week here in Austin, Texas. I've been assigned problems 8 and 15 from 1.2. So I had to draw a graph that has a maximum and minimum on the x and y axes of -5 to +5 on the x-axis and the y-axis. First, I had to identify some information about it. First, we were asked where it's increasing and decreasing from. So it's increasing from negative infinity to a point at -2, 5, and then it decreases from that point of -2, 5 to roughly a point at +3, -2. You can see there on my handy dandy graph that I drew. Lastly, it then begins to rebound and climb away from a point at +3, -2 on to positive infinity. The graph has a maximum point, which can be found at a point -2 and +5, and then it also has a minimum, which can be found at a point known as +3, -2. It has a positive concave. It's goes upwards. Is concave from negative infinity all the way to its intercept at the y-axis, which is roughly 0 and 3.5. And then it has negative concave from the y-intercept to its intercept on the x-axis at roughly 3, 0. Its y-intercepts, as previously mentioned, are 0, 3.5, and since it's a cubic function, as you can tell by that wave shape, it has 3 x-intercepts. The first one being -2.5, 0, the second one being 1, 0, and last but not least, 3, 0. Finally, since it is a cubic function, it does not have any unusual points, nor does it have any asymptotes. And then we move on to number 15, which is that I've been here forever. You can read that. I apologize for the poor lighting in my apartment. It has positive slope from negative infinity to -2.5, 5, negative slope from -2, 5 to 3, -2, and last but not least, it has positive slope from a point at 3, -2 onwards to infinity. Go Atlantis.